In the depths of ancient text and myth, a colossal force stirs. Behold the Leviathan, a creature of immense power, weaving through both history and legend. From the Bible's enigmatic verses to the epic battles of the Mesopotamian gods, these fearsome serpents symbolize chaos and raw, untamed power. Join us as we unveil the mysteries of the Leviathan, exploring its origins, its mystic rivals, and the truth hidden beneath the waves. Our journey begins with the ancient text of Bible, where the Leviathan is mentioned several times. In the book of Job, chapter 41, we find the most extensive description of the Leviathan. It is depicted as a powerful and fearsome sea monster, a colossal serpent with sinuous, twisting body that glides through the water with an eerie grace. Its scales shimmer with a dark, almost iridescent hue, reflecting the depths of the ocean. The creature's eyes burn with the malevolent glow of ancient power and primal fury. Its enormous jaws are lined with rows of razor-sharp teeth, capable of crushing anything in its path. Leviathan's coiling body can encircle entire ships, and its movements are both mesmerizing and terrifying. As it emerges from the depths of the water, it churns violently, a testament into its immense strength. This ancient serpent embodies the chaotic and untamed forces of the sea, a true monster of the deep. The Leviathan is also mentioned in Psalms, symbolizing God's power over chaos. In Psalm 74:14, it says, "It was you who crushed the heads of the Leviathan and gave it as food to the creatures of the desert." In Psalm 104, verse 26, "There go the ships. There is that Leviathan, whom you have made a play therein." In Isaiah 27, verse 1, Leviathan is used symbolically to represent powerful enemies of God. "In that day, the Lord will punish with his sword, his fierce, great, and powerful sword. Leviathan, the gliding serpent, Leviathan, the coiling serpent. He will slay the monster of the sea." The Leviathan also appears in various mythological contexts, resembling creatures from ancient Eastern mythology. In the Mesopotamian myths, Leviathan shares similarities with Tiamat, a chaotic sea dragon, and the Lotan from the Canaanite myths. These creatures often symbolize chaos and are defeated by gods, signifying the triumph of order over chaos. During the medieval period, Leviathan was often depicted as a massive sea creature, sometimes identified with real animals like whales or giant fish. In modern interpretation, some scholars view the Leviathan symbolically, representing chaos, evil, or powerful adversaries. But what about natural explanations? Some propose that the description of the Leviathan might have been inspired by real animals known to ancient cultures. Whales, with their immense size and power, or crocodiles, particularly with the detailed description in Job 41, could have influenced the imagery of the Leviathan. Alternatively, Leviathan might be a mythological composite, combining features of various real and imagined creatures to convey the immense power and threat. The Leviathan's mythic legacy continues to inspire new creatures in our imagination. Here are two creatures inspired by the Leviathan, Tiamat and Lotan. First, we have the Jormungandr, the coiling hydra. Originating from a blend of myths mentioned in the Norse mythology, the Jormungandr, the world serpent. The Jormungandr is a colossal serpent, like the creature that dwells in the deepest trenches of the ocean. Its body is a swirling mass of tentacles and serpentine necks with razor-sharp fangs and glowing reptilian eyes. Legends claim it is large enough to encircle the entire world. Like Leviathan and the Tiamat, the Jormungandr is a being of immense power associated with primordial chaos and the untamed sea. Its multiple heads show similarities of the Tiamat. However, the Jormungandr isn't inherently evil. It represents an untamed potential of the ocean, both destructive and life-giving. It can be awoken by greed or imbalance, causing monstrous storms and tsunamis. However, with respect and understanding, it can be a guardian of the deep. Next, we have the Behemoth, the storm kraken. This creature draws inspiration from the Leviathan and the Lotan, but with a focus on the storm aspect. The Behemoth is a monstrous kraken, a colossal squid-like creature with immense tentacles and a beak powerful enough to crush ships. Its body crackles with electricity and storms gather around it. Like the Leviathan and the Lotan, the Behemoth is a terrifying embodiment of the sea's destructive power. Its immense size and association with storms echo both creatures, but the Behemoth isn't just a mindless beast. It is an ancient guardian of balance between the sea and the sky. When humans disrupt this balance through pollution or overfishing, Behemoth rises from the depths to restore order, even if that that means destruction. From ancient scriptures to modern interpretation, the Leviathan remains a symbol of unknown and uncontrollable forces of nature. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share your thoughts in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring the mysteries of our world and beyond.